Hi, my name is Mike Melsman with Eastey. Welcome to Las Vegas at the Pack Expo show. Today I'm here to showcase our Eastey ERX-15 Case Erector. The Eastey ERX-15 Case Erector is designed to load 200 cases on the hopper, form, fold, and cape 15 cases per minute for output. The ERX-15 Case Erector enables a single operator to form, seal, and pack corrugated cases. Operation is simple. Load up to 200 cases in the case magazine hopper and set the system to run or jog mode. Separators release the leading blank case where a series of 8 vacuum suction cups hold the case in a properly formed square position. After, a set of stationary flap folding bars fold both minor and major flaps. The case is then transitioned and the bottom is sealed with Eastey's proven EX tape head. The versatile design of the ERX-15 allows operators the flexibility of adjusting on the fly with easy-to-use, hand-tightening knobs and cranks. No tools are needed and users can complete a changeover within minutes. The ERX-15 features a wide range of case sizes as large as 19.5 inches long, 19.5 inches high, and 15.5 inches wide. This machine is now available through our worldwide authorized distributors. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at eastey.com.